Hello, welcome to YIZUMI. Now, it's very popular to explore the physical store. So, today, I will take you to visit the factory. This is YIZUMI China Wusha No. 3 factory. It is an eye factory constructed based on a lighthouse factory. Here's a question. What is eye factory? It is a factory that is highly efficient, flexible, intelligent, and sustainable. Most importantly, it is a people-centric factory. Lean manufacturing, intelligent production, green energy savings, unmanned execution, and less labor-intensive. These features are some of the indispensable parts of eye factory. With a production area of more than 9,400 square meters, this factory is specialized manufacturing platform for the small and medium tonnage injection molding machines, which was due for operations in November 2022. The factory is designed with a flexible manufacturing system, an intelligent central storage system, a robotic automatic spray painting system, an automatic in-paint logic system, and line with several automatic production lines. Look here, there are more than 40 advanced molding solutions running at the same time. You can view them all at once here. The highlights on site feature the new energy vehicle, medical, packaging, 3C electronics, circular economy, special materials, and other industry by showcasing the two platinum injection molding machines, A5S series injection molding machine, and other star products. Also, don't forget the new YIZUMI special machine for medical, FF series electric injection molding machines, or electric multi-component injection molding machines, K3 series high-speed packaging injection molding machines, and many more that boost the high-end, intelligent, and green characteristics in recent years. Besides, you can also view a machine with vertical tentable structure and its application in the field of auto parts, as well as the expansion of the electric injection unit to a large size with the innovation on the traditional electric injection unit technology. On the other side, 6 sets of rubber injection molding solutions are showcased to provide customers in the electric power and auto parts sectors with the intelligent and concise solutions. Apart from the personal experience in viewing the molding solutions, you may also immerse yourself in the present and future of advanced molding equipment technology via a wide range of multimedia channels. Want to know more? I got you covered. Tap to follow YIZUMI official WeChat channel or TikTok to further understand more about the highlights and grand events of YIZUMI Connect 2023. I wish you enjoyed the video. See you next time.